What's up guys, it's Asher. Today's video is about a fitness band from Huawei Honor Band 4. And the one thing I love about this fitness band is its price. I think it's a quite reasonably priced at $36. This watch does come with the AMOLED display and it connects with your smartphone through your Bluetooth connection.
That's good.
So let's open the box and see what's in there. First of all, we got the charging dock, so you plug your micro USB cable here and then you place your band over there to charge it. Next one is user manual, and come on, who wants to read the user manual? But let's see what else we got in the box. We have a USB cable, so yeah, it's a micro USB cable. At last, here we got the band itself, and this is the black color. It feels like a pretty good product. I mean, that's quite a lightweight. It feels good to hold in the hand. It has no physical button. All of the navigation will be done on the screen. Without charging this thing, you cannot turn it on because there is no physical button. So whenever you charge this thing, it will turn on automatically. So if you are not a Huawei or Honor phone user, you have to install a specific app named as Huawei Health. After giving some permissions for notifications, access to watch will be ready to use. Coming on the watch face, you got a bunch of information including time, date, weather and steps. The way you navigate through menu is by swiping down like this. Then we have some setting. Tap on it and it will take you to the setting. Now these are not all the settings, some of the settings are accessible on the smartphone. We have some different watch faces and they're pretty good. This watch face shows you the distance, calories and your steps. There is also a messages app which gives you notification of every app you have given access to. So in the workout menu, you have a bunch of options: outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor cycle, pole swim and free training. Other than that, Honor Band 4 got sleep monitoring, heart rate monitor, pedometer and the waterproofing under the 50 meter of water. Alright guys, that's it for the unboxing and a quick review of the Honor Band 4. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below because I might have missed some features. I will try my best to answer you guys. Otherwise, a separate review of this watch is also coming soon. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like the video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and peace.